What's up, Jeepers? Drinkwater back with a little bit of upgrade on the CJ-7 project. When I got her, I had these nasty front and side markers. So I bought some new ones. This is a crown. Here is the numbers if you need it. Side markers and front markers. Marked difference. Look at that, how nice. Sorry about the focus. And then the old one, and then the old one to the new one. Let me go ahead and turn it on so we can see what it looks like. Look at that. Oh man. Looks really good. Let me turn on the other side. You can see how nasty it looks on the other side. I was having a really hard time at stoplights. You know, people seeing me. She don't want to blink, but that's the newest update. It works really well. I love it. They look awesome. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.